Assalamu alaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a healthy homemade very delicious fresh fruit cake recipe, that too bakery style, without any egg or without any artificial colors. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a large mixing bowl, add in 1.5 cup of maida. Now add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder into it. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt so that it enhances the taste of the cake. Now mix all the ingredients well. Here you can see our dry ingredients are ready. Put them aside and into a grinding jar add in half cup of oil. You can even use melted butter or ghee instead. Now add in half cup of sugar into it. You can use jaggery powder or stevia if you are making it on a healthier side. Now add in 1 cup of fresh curd into it. Here I am going to use homemade curd. You can use even the curd that is bought from the market. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder and 1/4 teaspoon of orange food color. This is totally optional. You can skip it if you don't like. Now grind it well. So here you can see the wet ingredients for the cake is ready. Now into the dry ingredients add in the whole mixture of the wet ingredients and give it a good mix. Now here you need to make a lump free cake batter with a ribbon like consistency. So continuously mix it and make a smooth batter out of it. Do take care that it should not be with lumps, it should be lump free. In case the batter is too thick, you can add little bit of water or milk and adjust the consistency. So here you can see the batter of the cake is ready. Into a greased tin, add in the batter of the cake and allow it to get baked at 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 to 40 minutes. So until the cake is being baked, you need to whip the cream for the cake. Tap the cake tin twice or thrice to remove any air bubbles present. So here I have 1 cup of cream. This is non-dairy whipping cream and I have whipped it this way. Already sugar is present in it, that is why I'm not going to add any artificial sugar from outside. So here you can see up till the stiff peaks I have whipped the cream and this is ready. And here you can see the cake is also done and I have cooled it well. I'm going to scrape the corners of the cake and I'm going to take it out of the cake tin. Here you can say mashallah, the cake is baked very well. Take the butter paper out of the cake and now invert it. Now we have to layer the cake. Before we are going to cut the cake into layers, cut the top portion of the cake and put it aside. This is usually not required. Now here my cake is not so very thick, so I'm going to cut it only in 2 layers. If you are making it in a smaller cake tin which is going to be thicker, you can cut it into 3 layers. Using a knife, I'm going to mark the border and then put the thread and just split it this way so that the layers of the cake is ready. Now put the cake board and now place the layer of the cake onto the board. Here I have chopped a few fruits and I have boiled it in some sugar water. So here the sugar syrup is also ready and the fruits for layering is also ready. In case you're not going to do this, you can even use canned or tinned fruits. Now you need to separate the sugar syrup from the fruit pieces. Here you can use the fruits of any choice and you can make this. And if you want the recipe for this, you can comment me down. I will share the recipe soon. So here you can see the sugar syrup, which is rich in flavored fruits, is ready. Now you need to soak the cake base with this. Soak it well to make the cake moist and taste it even more better. After soaking it well with the sugar syrup, apply whipped cream layer onto the cake. Now here you have 2 options. You can even use a piping bag for layering the cake or you can do it as I'm showing you in the video. Do try it out guys. This recipe is going to be very tasty and delicious, and even if you do not get the better finishing, the taste will be much better than the bakery. Do trust me and do try it out and let me know your experiences in the comment section. So here you can see I have spread it well. Now I'm going to add in the fruit pieces. this way. Here I have used pineapple, pomegranate, papaya, apple, and maybe some other fruits too. Now I have spread it well. I'm going to place another layer of the cake on top of it and again soak it with the sugar syrup well. Apply another layer of whipping cream on top of it. This time I'm going to use the piping bag for easy application. Do trust me guys, even if the finishing is not good, the taste is going to amaze you. So do try it once. So here I have filled orange colored whipped cream in the piping bag with star nozzle, and now I'm going to draw flowers out of it. So here you can see I'm not a home baker, so the flowers are not perfect, but I can bet the taste is going to be very excellent and very tasty. Now it's up to you how you want to decorate your cake. So whichever design is coming into my mind, I'm trying to make the cake in that way. Here again I have filled it with some green color into the same piping bag so that the combination of colors is being seen, and I'm going to place the leaves like this as shown in the video. You can decorate your cake as per your choice, as you are the own baker of your cake. So I'm going to decorate it this way, and finally I'm going to place few flowers like border at the bottom to give it a final look. So here you can see this is what all frosting that I wish to do. Now I'm going to place the fruit pieces on top of it, as it is a fresh fruit cake, so I'm going to put a few fresh fruits on top of it, and finally topping it with cherries, and also I'm going to add in few sprinkles on the front portion of the cake. This way I'm going to decorate my cake, and do let me know guys how did you find my recipe, and in case you find it interesting and if you have learned something out of this video, do let me know in the comment section below, and let me know your favorite flavor of the cake in the comment section below. And please do give it a try guys, this is going to be very tasty and delicious, better than a bakery cake, and that too low budget, and also very hygienically prepared at home. Do give it a try, let me know your experiences in the comment section. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.